Stop stressing over serious stuff. Do what Jamaicans do instead. Laugh it off. All right, let's get into it. Jamaicans are famous for turning every moment into a comedy show. Why? It's all about that rich cultural blend. Jamaica's history is filled with resilience, and humor has always been a survival tool. When life gives you lemons, Jamaicans say, time to make a joke. You see, humor in Jamaica isn't just about laughs. It's a way to cope, to bond, and to keep spirits high. From the streets of Kingston to family gatherings, joking around is like breathing air. Even the serious moments get a dose of humor. Plus, with that infectious reggae vibe, who can resist a good laugh? It's in their blood to entertain and uplift, whether it's through music, stories, or just everyday banter. So next time you're feeling down, channel your inner Jamaican and crack a joke. Trust me, it works wonders.